Okay, so we're down in my basement, you know, in my house, blah, blah, blah. And we decided to mess with my dad's stuff. And my dad's kind of a freak. Kim got some football. Go Eagles. Ew, football. Hold him, Jake. Football. Jake. This is my brother Jacob. Tracks for a football team. Yeah. Look at that sexy piece. Single. He's got his digits. Those are bobbleheads. Okay, so my dad has this insanely sexy hat that our first model, Lindsay, will be modeling. Come down here. Okay, ready, set, put it on, flap your wings and go. Lindsay is sporting a sexy for the football season. Now.
Maggie, take it away.
Okay.
And pose.
Hey, look. Is this sexy or what?
Oh yeah.